Okay, so this is what is James Bond Island, and I'm taking now the video on the way we are going back to the speedboat. So bye bye James Bond. I hope you had a good shooting experience here. So that's it. This is 23rd of March 2023. We are at Phuket at James Bond Island. Now we are going up. This is the way up. Actually, we are going towards the speedboat. It's no. Yes, the shooting is still on. Chalo. Yes, this is Rajnikant with his moves. It's not photo, it's video. Yes. കാല് വളയുണ്ടല്ലോ.
कांची गाता है.
ഇവിടെ എടുത്തിണ്ടായിരുന്നല്ലോ. You have come from India?
Yes.
From?
We are from Andhra Pradesh.
Okay. So we are from Kerala.
Tamil Serium.
Okay.
I heard photo.
Yeah, that's what she said.
Tamil nalla theriyum.
Oh, good, good, good.
Group photo.
Okay.
Okay, have a good day.
Yeah, same. Sawadika. In Thailand they say. Okay.
Come. Water pool, video pool.
എടുത്തു. ഇനി അവിടെ മെമ്മറി ഉണ്ടാവോ? We are going to Andaman leisure vacation. മൈനല്ലോ ഇത്. What is this bird? ഇത്ര കറുത്തിട്ട് കറുത്തൊരു മൈനയാണ്. So that's it. അതെ ഒന്ന് നോക്കി. Say bye.